Hello HLP, this is Ricardo, and today we're going to spend some time talking about Microsoft assignments inside of Canvas. Are you tired of having issues with our Google Assignments LTI, where our students share something with you or turn something in and you get an error similar to this? I know we all are, and it has to do with the fact that our students are in one domain while you are on a different domain. If you want to avoid this, I want to introduce you to Microsoft Assignments. So I'm inside of Canvas. You can go through modules or assignments, it doesn't matter. But when you're there, go ahead and go all the way to the right next to the blue module box or blue assignment box and click on it and click Microsoft Education. If you do not know how to set this up, there's a prior video we created for you, and go ahead and click there. And when you click on it, it's going to give you some options. So we have our powerful learning accelerators in here. You have the ability to use the flip camera. Yes, I said it right, flip camera. But notice how you have this OneDrive assignments in here, whether it be a Word template, Excel template. You can do this with Google. You cannot do Sheets or a PowerPoint template. I can provide that for my students. So let's go ahead and go Word template and let's give it a name. And you can give a description. Talk about what you did this weekend. And let's give it some points. So we'll make it worth 5 points, and then let's make it available from yesterday all the way to this Friday, and we can give it some time too. And let's create the assignment. So it's going to create the assignment. I could have done this with a PowerPoint. I could have provided one of my templates if I wanted to. So you have the freedom to do that. The kids can start from blank, or you can create something for them and they are just going to complete it. So completely up to you. Very similar to how you do in Google Assignments. So again, how did I do that? Whether you work from assignments or from modules, go next to the blue box, Microsoft Education. This time we're going to do a PowerPoint template. So I could have selected something from my OneDrive, but I'm just going to do a blank one. I'll give an assignment a name, description, points, availability, and then let's create the assignment. And what I want you to see is going to create the assignment. And when you create them, obviously it's not going to publish them yet. So I need to put them in the right module, or I can publish them. And now when our student comes in here, so let's go see it from a student's point of view. They're going to see the Word template and I'm going to click on it. So here's the Word assignment, and notice what happens. It's going to open a blank document for them, and inside of it, they can easily come in here. They have all of the tools inside of Word, including Immersive Reader. So Immersive Reader is also inside of here for our students to be able to use. But when I'm ready, I can start typing. This weekend, I went to the zoo with my family. And as our students type, they can finish it. They can use all of the tools from Word. They can submit the assignment. You as a teacher, so they submitted it, right? All that beautiful confetti in there. I'm going to go in here. I'm going to go to the Word template testing assignment. And what I want you to see is that if I go in here and I go to SpeedGrader, I want you to see what it looks like. So they have turned in the assignment. No 403 error. No, they can't be shared. I see exactly what the student created for me, just like that, without any errors. I have the ability to annotate it, to add comments, and anything that I can do in SpeedGrader. Let's look at the PowerPoint one from our student's point of view. And I'm just going to go ahead and create my weekend by Ricardo Recinos. I'm going to insert another slide. Soccer game. So I went to a soccer game. I have the ability to use all of the tools available in PowerPoint. When I'm done, I'm going to submit the assignment. And as a teacher, I can go in here. I can go to that assignment. I can go to SpeedGrader. Notice how easy this was. Our students have submitted their PowerPoint, and I have the ability to see what they completed by just going in here. My weekend. Easy. No headaches. Not worrying about the way the kids are sharing the assignment. So again, this is Microsoft Assignments inside of Canvas. If you have any questions, please let me know. Have a great day. Bye-bye.